Psalm 1, Psalmo de Tornen, Santuin 1, was written for people tired of being dragged by the crowd. In Psalm 1 Fiu, Psalm 1, we read, "Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers, but whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on his law day and night. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do prospers." This psalm opens the whole book of Psalms, like a doorway into the life of worship. An unnamed voice describes a single person, the One, and traces their movement. First walking, then standing, then sitting. The words show a slow settling into the values of a crowd. In contrast, the blessed person chooses a different path. Their delight and meditation are repeated and emphasized day and night. The image shifts from footsteps and company to a tree, planted by streams of water, stable and fruitful. Fruit comes in season, and the leaf does not wither, even when weather changes. For ancient Israel, this psalm explained that a truly good life did not come from blending into the surrounding culture. It came from being rooted in God's instruction. The word blessed here is the Hebrew asher. It speaks of a deep, contented well-being, more than a quick good mood. Jeremiah 17 uses the same picture of a tree by water for the person who trusts in the Lord and does not fear heat or drought. Joshua 1:8 echoes the call to meditate on the law day and night so that life actually aligns with it. Jesus picks up the same principle in Matthew 7, describing the wise person who hears his words and puts them into practice as someone building on rock. Across Scripture, a pattern emerges. Stability and fruitfulness grow from lives rooted in God's voice, not swept along by the crowd. For us, this lands in the middle of feeds, group chats, and constant noise. Many lives are shaped more by algorithms than by any deep reflection. The path of Psalm 1 invites a different rhythm. This week, choose one short passage of Scripture and sit with it each day, morning and evening, even for a few unhurried minutes. Read it slowly. Notice a word or phrase, and carry it into your day like a quiet question to your own heart. At the same time, take one practical step away from shaping influences that pull you off course, such as a certain account, habit, or conversation that always bends your values. Over time, those small choices become roots. They do not always change the weather, but they change the tree. Study it deeply. Live it fully.